Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp in Android. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our WhatsApp, and after that, I want you to click this three-dot line right here that is located on the top right corner, and after that click settings. And after clicking settings, I want you to scroll down until you see chats right here. And after clicking chats, you should be able to see this option right here, which says show Meta AI button. So all you have to do is to click it, and then WhatsApp will disable Meta AI in its app. And then all you have to do is to refresh your app. But if you don't have this kind of option, then the second thing that we could do is to go back and then scroll down until you see help, which is located right here. So just click help, and after that click help center, and after opening, click this chats right here, and then click contact us right here on the bottom right, and then just tell them that I want to remove Meta AI on my WhatsApp. And you can also type whatever kind of request you want, but let's just use this as an example. And after you're done with this, just click next, and after that your request will now be sent to WhatsApp and then reply to you shortly. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRix tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.